Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ali, the Fidget Queen, and today I'm just going to be showing you some new putty I got. Before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, let's get into it. So here is the putty. It is this beautiful neon. Sorry, the camera angle's so bad. Let me try and fix that. Oh my god, sorry guys, I've just been playing with the poppets, they're everywhere. So you guys, it's super satisfying. It's actually my mum's. She'll be appearing in my next video actually, that's really cool. It is super good. I'm also going to be doing some real fidgeting with her, because for some reason she has fidgets, I don't know why. So it's not actually my putty. I'm going to try and really offer it as well. And she actually has quite a few good fidgets, which I'm quite happy about. So I want to try and get them off her. So yeah. So it's super satisfying. And I just overall love it. It's got a great hard texture to it. And it's just overall really good. Okay. Bye guys.